Hey, what's going on, Rockstars? Welcome back to the Rockstarflipper YouTube channel, and we're gonna check out a new to me Goodwill. Anyways, I don't know how long it's been open, but this is in an area that I don't usually shop. So let's go inside and see if they got anything good. So I was about to buy this Wrangler shirt, nice, circa bonafide hustler, but make sure you guys look real close. See this stain right there? That's why you have to be very careful when you're shopping for this stuff. Could have been a good purchase, but instead we'll leave it. Look guys, we got some great Lucky Brand jeans. Oh, but wait, what is this? What is this? $25? Wow. Way to go, Goodwill, way to go. Can't win here today. And then some Armani Exchange jeans somewhere around here. Yeah, Armani Exchange. But they're stained all to crap. So this is pretty new. I haven't seen them do this at our store, but they still look a lot overpriced. Just kind of thrown in here. We'll dig for the shoes. Yeah, see? 25 on those, so way overpriced. Even these Skeletor shoes, if I could find the other one to this, but they're all destroyed, see that? God, the quality of shoes here is horrendous. Oh, there's the other one. So, they had a price of $12.98 on these. $12.96, but this one's all ripped up. If it had been in good shape, maybe I could have negotiated, but not like that. So, a couple bins of shoes, pretty crazy. So we are scoring today. Little golden tee game. Look at this. $2.98 or $3.96. This thing's selling for like 30 bucks. A Wii sensor bar for $2.98. This is selling for like 15. Got a telephone set, that's $3.98, averaging, without the power supply, I can probably get 25 for it. This Cisco router, which I'm familiar with Cisco, or this HD port, $2.98, it's about $40. And a couple other goodies I'll show you guys a little bit later. So this store ended up being decent. All right, so that was a really good trip. Total was $25.55 after everything, and probably at least $300, maybe $400 worth of stuff, and that's only on 6 items, literally 6 items out of, you know, normally having to get, what, at $15 items on clothing stuff, probably what, 20 items to get that high, 25 items, so we did it in 6 items, so really good random assortment of things today. I'll show it to you guys a little bit later in the video, but great stuff, great stuff. All right, Goodwill number 2, this one's by my house. Let's see if they have just as good stuff as I got from the first location. So this would have been a solid score. VHS DVD combo. Plug it in and it won't eject anything, it won't do anything, it won't even stay on. So this is like 200 bucks and it was selling 25, so no good on that, no bueno. Make sure you always plug them in, test them. I've talked about these with you guys a little bit. This one's 2 bucks, sells for about 12. It's really scratched up, so 10 profit, fees and shipping. Can't test it, best to leave it alone. But if you can see these and they work, these sell good, 12 to 15 each. All right, back from a little trip to Goodwill. The second Goodwill I went to didn't have anything really, it was garbage. My local one, it's terrible anyways, but you guys saw, this was $3.98, and it's a golf, like, windbreaker vintage type shirt. It's a 3/4 zip up Nike Golf, so excellent purchase for 4, something I'll put up for $20 or $25. Hopefully we'll get 20 out of it, which is 16 profit, less fees and shipping, about 10 to 12 on that. This is a Wii bar. This basically makes your Wii sensor bar reach farther across the room. It's an extended bar. Hopefully you guys can see that. The lighting is probably really bright. There we go. This was $2, and the price sticker's already peeled off of it, but this was $2 and it's sealed. It's never even been opened. So I'm gonna ask like $17.50 for this. Most of them were selling between 15 and 20. So that's a really good profit on that. Looking for some hard goods. Any kind of plug and play video games tend to do pretty well. The buttons on this are good. This is a battery powered one, so we'll have to stick batteries in it and check it out. Plugs right into the TV with audio video. And this one happens to be golden tee. I tried the ball spins pretty good. This is one of those ones where you go like that and it shoots the golf ball across the screen. This was $3.98, so $4. And most of these were averaging about 35 used. So Golden Tee, pretty cool game right there. It is gonna go priority, so it's gonna be $8 to ship it. I paid $4 for it, so $12 plus some fees, about $15, $16, maybe $17. But if I can get 35 out of it, that's a 17 profit. That's solid. And then I don't mind buying telephones once in a while. This one was $4. If you guys can see that, Goodwill retail, $4. Usually the phones can go for like $10 to $15 if you just come across the phone. If you're paying $3 or $4, maybe not worth just buying the phone. But with the cradle, even though I don't have the power cable, this cradle plus the phone, you know, this goes first class. Now this is gonna have to go priority, so we're into it for $4. Gonna cost us $8 to ship is $12. Probably about $4 in fees, $16. But with the cradle, this goes from being a $10 or $12 handset to being about $25 to $30. So that can leave us another $10 to $12 in profit. This is an odd item. I wouldn't recommend buying these unless you can test them and you know somebody that can, or you have plugs. I happen to know somebody who sells a lot of Cisco merchandise. So this is a Cisco box. And I think I paid $3 for this one. Yeah, I paid $3 for this one. Still got the Goodwill stickers on them. Probably not gonna show, but anyways, it's $3 right there's a sticker. This particular model, Cisco, which is a, not one that I was fully familiar with, it's an HDMI box. The model number on it, in case you happen to see it, is 4742 HDC. You'll probably never see one of these again in your life. This is super rare that it ended up inside of a Goodwill. But they're averaging, almost every single one of them sold for $45 to $50. So $3 purchase. It is first class, thing probably weighs 2 pounds if I had to guess, pound and a half, 2 pounds. So gonna cost $8 to $10 to ship, gonna cost $5 or $6 in ship or in fees. That's 13, 14 plus the 3 I paid for it, 17. About, you know, 18 to 20 is our break even. And if I can get 45 out of it, that's awesome. $25 profit on a $3 purchase. Really, really solid. So look for some of these hard goods to mix in with the clothing. You know, essentially I spent 2 and 3 is 5, and then 4 on each of the other ones is 8 is 13. This was 4, so that's 17. And then I spent $7 on another item, so it was $25 with the tax on everything. And I mean, you're talking about what, 17, 35 is 52, plus 25 is 77, plus 20 is 97, plus 45. I mean, just this alone is about 120, 130 in gross sales. And then that last item that I paid $7 for, I'll show it to you guys. It's a Pioneer DVD recorder. It's very big and bulky, very heavy. This was $7, $6.98 plus tax, obviously. And this thing right here is gonna sell, almost every one of them sold for 80 to 90. So that puts us up over about 200 to 220 in gross sales on these hard goods stuff, which should sell pretty quickly. I would expect, so what, I got 5 pieces of hard goods and 1 Nike jacket. And even, you know, the net sale on 220, probably looking at about 125, maybe 150. So I'm gonna make $100 profit on this. Not a ton, but only 6 items. I can list this stuff in 15 minutes, 20 minutes, hard goods, take some photos, 15, 20 minutes for the descriptions, and hopefully in less than an hour, I'll have all 6 items up, 45 minutes to an hour. And this stuff will sell, I guarantee you, within a week. It won't be clothes that just stack up in the inventory. This will sell pretty quickly. These handsets sell as fast as I can list them. The Golden Tee game, I don't see this lasting more than a week or 2 at most. This is probably the longest item I see here because it's kind of a want. Anything Cisco sells immediately, I'll start piling offers in on these. And that DVD recorder, it's in really great shape. That's kind of like a 3 to 5 day, maybe 7 day item. So mixing hard goods will increase your sell-through rate as far as speed goes, because these things just tend to have a better, bigger audience and sell-through rate. Yes, you're gonna be storing more. You're gonna be spending more. Remember, I spent 7 on 1, 5, a little more than clothing. My average cost of goods will go up. This stuff takes up a lot of room when you're trying to store big things and heavy stuff. You gotta have the right packaging and boxes, and it's gonna cost more to ship. And you know, higher risk because it's electronics, of returns or defects or whatever. You gotta be able to test them. A lot of negatives to buying and selling this sort of thing, but if you can successfully do it and get a process, you can sell things faster, which is the name of the game. So keep that in mind on hard goods. Always keep your mind open, be looking for stuff, and hopefully you can find a few good things. Keep buying your clothes, keep stacking the inventory, but mix it up. Don't just be stuck on one item. I know a lot of people like to niche. I think you should be open to a lot of items. So that's the haul for today. I know you guys haven't seen a haul in a while because we had so much stuff. We were working on stuff, but we're gonna get back in the swing of things, of me showing you guys all kinds of cool stuff as much as possible that I'm buying. We'll get this listed, we'll get it sold. We're out of eBay jail, it feels so good. And I will see all of you next time. A couple things before I leave. Scribe.com down in the description box. It's free, sign up for a month. It helps me out if you do. Cancel it after that. Unlimited books, magazines, all kinds of online. They're sponsoring my channel, so thank you guys at Scribe for helping me out. Description box. As always, below that Scribe link is all my social media, all my eBay store link, Amazon affiliates. Everything that you might need from me is down there, including the free Facebook group, the paid VIP group, anything else. Check out the description box, and I'll see you next time. Thank you all so much. I love you. Bye now.